The ONI culture is, I think it's a really good, fun company to work for. It's very ambitious. We're a startup with absolutely huge goals. We do want to change the face of science, and that's not unrealistic with a product like this and a kind of foundation like this.
A really important thing for me was when I was looking for a company, I want to really believe in the goal that the company is striving towards. I'm motivated a lot by science being used to, better the community or like the wider humanity. What I saw in ONI was a company that wasn't just looking to sell products or design code. They were trying to really create a holistic service to the research industry.
I think we are quite a special team. We are all very committed. I think we are quite passionate about what we are doing, all of us.
Yeah, we all kind of appreciate the potential change that we can bring with this product. So yeah, we all have a shared ambition, and it's a great place to work.
I came straight out of my undergraduate degree, but I already feel like I've learned a huge amount. Lots of things that you might want, like say a grad scheme or like a training day, all of those are kind of up for grabs. If anyone wants to kind of grab on and say, look, this is something I'm passionate about, let's see if we can make this happen.
People who just joined get a lot of help from the more senior employees. We are extremely friendly to each other, and I think everyone is really working hard to keep the atmosphere positive and enthusiastic about development of the nanoimager, about presenting it to the world, and about interactions with customers.
In order to respond to the needs of our clients, we have to be an interdisciplinary company. We have to understand biology that the client is facing. We have to understand the data that they want to extract. That brings a lot of people from all types of backgrounds in our company, from life science to mathematics and engineering.
We sit next to application scientists and they sit next to programmers, so whenever you're working on something and there's a cool image on your screen, everyone can get interested and say, like, explain that to me, like, what does this mean? Is there anything I could do? Perhaps this thing I'm developing could help you with this part of the problem.
What is wonderful is that there are no stronger and weaker person or stronger and weaker expertises. Everyone is trying to contribute to the development of the company. I think the culture of the company is something that every company would dream about.
ONI is a microscopy company that looks at very small things but has very big plans.